Today is January 21st, 2024. So I've got these pieces all glued in around the edge. This is the forward keel section here. So all these pieces have been glued in, and as well as the pieces that will go under the batteries. And you can probably also see it, but that piece of 3/8 inch plywood that I put down the center, also fiberglass that. Gave it a quick sanding. So that's the biaxial cloth there. You can see the weave is cross pattern there instead of the normal fiberglass cloth weave, and then this is the same type of biaxial fiberglass on the bottom. So this will be on the inside. So this piece here gets flipped over and glued onto here. And then this corner edge here, for example, essentially gets glued, on here and on all these frames and stuff like that. So that's all ready to go. This is cut oversized by about 1/2 inch all the way around. So once I've got it glued on there, you run around with a trim router bit and trim that edge off. And first I'll just slice off the big massive amounts of it with the jigsaw, because that's a little bit faster and easier. Then run around it again with the trim router, and then a quarter round bit with a 3/8 inch round for the round the bottom corner edge over. I've got a nice little DeWalt cordless router that I like using. It's small, it's light, there's no cord on it, it's variable speed. It works really good for stuff like that. So and then I'm just right now, like you can see on this forward part here, I've got it taped in with the biaxial tape in the corners. So there's cotton fiber underneath in the cove here, cotton fiber and epoxy obviously, and then wet this out really well, put the cloth over that, and then wet it out over the top of it with the low viscosity slow hardener, and makes a nice joint. And I'm doing the same thing here. So this is the aft keel piece. This is the very back end of the boat here. That's the front end. Those parts that are raised up there, those are that's the continuation of the battery compartment, which is this part back here in this hull. That's the other end of it there. I've been taping. You can see here I've taped this here, and I'm about to put the biaxial tape in these corners here too. There's a nice little rainbow there. I found some little crystal things in a drawer that had been collected for years, so I pulled them out and stuck them in the window. So that's kind of fun. It's a nice sunny day. Makes little rainbows around the room is fun. Yeah, and I had you can see there's a little epoxy cove in here. I'll show you one without the rainbow, it's easier to see. So this little, what I did was I tabbed these in initially, just with a little blob here and down in the bottom corner, just to get everything glued together so it wasn't moving around, so I could work on it. And now I'm basically doing reinforcing, and then I need to add the rest of the bulkheads up here. I couldn't cut those bulkheads out in the table saw before because this whole piece was lying down across the table saw and the bench and everything. So I took the little the guard out that goes over the top of the saw so I could get the whole thing down, covered that all with plastic, and laid this down on top of it. And that, yeah, so coming along pretty good. Hope you're enjoying this. I certainly am. Seems like a lot of people are starting to watch and are interested in this sort of thing. So anyway, thanks very much.